Today I'm going to be showing you how to design a fall bookends flyer inside of Canva. And the dimensions are 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels, which is Instagram post size. And the first thing I'm going to do is change my background color. And today I'm going for a gradient color. So I'm just going to click up here, go over here to the color wheel, and I'm going to go to gradient. I want to keep my first color white, but I want to change this second color to an orange color. And I want my gradient to go from top to bottom. So under style, I'm just going to select the second one, which is linear gradient. And say if you want your white on the bottom and the orange on the top, all you would do is just move this orange in front of the white. And then that's how you have it. And so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to type in Polaroid frame in the elements tab. And I'm going to pull in this frame collage right here. And I want to just change my border color of the frames to a brown color. So I'm just going to go and just find a brown color. And the next thing I want to do is get my text. So I go over to text, click right here, and I'm going to grab my text. And I'm going to type in fall season bookings. And I want to change my font to, let's get a font. I'm going to change my font to the youngest serif. And this font is a free font within Canva. And I'm just going to position my text how I would like it. And I'm decreasing the line spacing just by going under spacing and decreasing the line spacing right here. Then I'm just gonna bring this up. And I'm gonna change my text to the same brown color right here. Then I wanna add an effect. So I'm gonna go to effects and let's try a lift. Okay. I'm going to add a lift and I'm going to turn it up to about 70. Then I want to add smaller text and I'm just going to type, this is going to be a nail flyer. So we're just going to say the name, the brand name is going to be Nailed by Key. So I'm just going to type Nailed by Key. And I'm going to change this font to the same font as Fall Season Bookends. So I just go, select it, put it at the top, and I'm just going to space it out like that. And then I want to duplicate this, and this is where the website will be. So we're going to say the website is keynails.as.me/. And I want to uppercase this, so I'm just going to select uppercase, and as you can see it uppercase all the letters. I'm going to size this down and I'm just going to drag it out, space the letters out. And down here I'm going to make this text white. And so I want to go and add my pictures. So I got a few nail pictures off of Pinterest for the sake of this video. And as you can see, I'm just grabbing my pictures and dropping them inside of the frames. Okay. And then the next thing I want to do is just add my information, the rest of the information. So to jazz it up a bit, I'm going to get a circle. Well, no, actually I'm going to get a rounded square out of shape, and I'm going to just drag it down to make like a rounded rectangle. Okay. And I just want to increase my corner rounding, and I'm going to bring it all the way up. And I want to outline this with white, so I'm just going to go to border style, select the second option, and I'm going to change the color to white. And I'm just going to center it with the fall bookends. And I'm going to duplicate it 2 times. And this is where we're going to put our prices. So I'm going to say short set, $75 and up. And the text is going to be white. Duplicate it. Medium set is going to start at $90 and up. And we're going to say long set is going to start at $125 and up. And then right here, I'm going to put fall season bookends are available. So I'm going to duplicate are now available. And I'm just going to use a cursive font. And I'm going to use Gladiola for this. I'm just going to space it out. I don't like that. Let's try shorter. I'm just going to put available. And I'm going to take that lift off. Let's try now available. Okay. And as you can see, that is pretty much everything as far as our information. So now here is the fun part. And that is just simply adding all the extra elements and the extras to help bring out the flyer. And one thing I do want to do is I'm going to bring these boxes up, because at the bottom I want to put a deposit amount. So let's say $40 deposit required. I'm going to change this to white. Okay. And I want this to be all capitalized. So what I'm going to do is go up to uppercase, select. Okay, let's see. And this has an effects on it. It has the lift effect. I'm going to leave that on there. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, let's see how this looks brown. Okay, so now I just want to add in some elements. So you're going to go under elements, and I want to do fall leaves. Let's see, I just want one. Okay, and so here I'm going to take this one. Just going to put it on the flyer like that. Okay, just kind of play around with it, add it wherever you see fit for your design. And then here's a bunch here. I could just, I'm gonna send this to the back. And so how you send something to the back, you go to position, under arrange to the back, and as you can see, it's back there. And I'm going to turn the transparency down to about 31, and I want to duplicate it and just kind of turn it. So now I'm gonna get this one. I want to change this leaf color to brown. Change this to right there. Okay, so take that one off. I'm gonna do some more of these. And turn the transparency up for this one since it's on that orange. And don't forget the other side, even though you got this border here on this side, try to add something so that side doesn't look empty. So something like that. And now the last thing I want to do is I want to get a texture. So I'm going to type in texture in the elements tab, and I'm just going to find a texture that I like. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try that. And I'm going to send this to the back. And I'm going to turn the transparency down. Okay, so I like that one. And let me try to find one more texture. Let's see what this one is. And boom, this is it. This is how you would make a flyer inside of Canva, and you can use these same strategies and methods to design any flyer. It doesn't have to be a fall specific flyer. You can use the same concepts to design wedding flyers, party flyers, anything. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.